Based on industry reports and research, a staggering 80% to 95% of AI projects fail to reach production. It's a phenomenon frequently referred to as pilot purgatory. Most people are great at using AI to design, but we often get stuck when it's time to launch. If you already created a website using AI like this beautiful landing page designed from Claude, you are already ahead of the curve. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to deploy it so that you have a live link anyone can access. Let's get into it. To follow this process, I use Claude Pro to design the code, GitHub to host the files in the cloud, Vercel to host the live website link, and VS Code to manage the files and talk directly to the AI. Once you have your accounts created and those apps downloaded to your computer, we are ready to start. First, we're going to download that index.html file Claude just built for us. We're doing this because right now, the code only lives in a chat bubble. We need to move it onto your physical computer so we can start the process of sending it to the web. Next, create a new folder on your desktop and drop that file inside. We do this to keep things organized. If you just leave it in your downloads folder, it's easy for things to get messy or lost. Giving it its own folder tells your computer, this is a specific project. Now, right-click that folder and select Open with VS Code. Think of VS Code as a professional workbench. While you could look at the file in a regular folder, opening it here gives Claude the tools it needs to actually interact with the code and help you push it live. Then go to GitHub and create a new repository. Give it a name, change visibility to private, and once you hit create, copy that HTTPS link they give you. We're doing this because your computer is private. Nobody can see your website if it stays there. GitHub is like a secure public storage unit in the cloud where your website's files will live permanently. Go back to VS Code and tell Claude Code, please commit and push all files in this folder to GitHub and you paste your link. We're doing this because manually uploading files is slow and prone to errors. Claude handles the handshake between your computer and GitHub for you. Now, you are going to refresh your GitHub page. If you see your file listed there, you're golden. This step is just for peace of mind. He confirms that your code has successfully traveled from your computer to the cloud. Now head over to Vercel. Click Add New Project and select your GitHub repo. If you don't see it, click Adjust GitHub App Permissions to give Vercel permission to see that specific folder. Scroll down, click Select Repository, and add the repository you are deploying. Now you will see it available ready to import. Of course, all of this process can be done by prompting Claude Code, but it's important to know the process yourself before asking Claude do it for you. Once you hit deploy, Vercel takes your code from GitHub and turns it into a real clickable link. Here you can add your own domain that you buy on websites like Namecheap, or you can use the one Vercel gives you for the free. And last comment here, if instead of the landing page you get an error, that's part of the process. Just ask Claude Code to help you fix it, and it will fix the issue for you. You can even ask it to push it to GitHub, and it will automatically update the code on Vercel. It is a wonderful thing. And that's it. You've officially escaped pilot purgatory. You now have a live website and a professional workflow that keeps your computer clean and your projects organized. If this helped you, hit that like button and let me know what you're building.